Well guys, believe it or not, to date I have 34 Ridgid toolboxes in various configurations. And as I've stated before, I love their boxes. They just work great. Alright guys, I want to take a look at this Ridgid toolbox that I bought here. It's been a little bit, I don't know, maybe about a month ago I bought it. It's the Ridgid 28-inch mobile toolbox, number 249646. Now at the time I paid $70, and I see it's back up $20 more to like $89, just about $90. Also, this is still the same design as Gen 1. As you know, they came out with the Generation 2, so I'm not sure if they're coming out with the Gen 2. But I bought this anyways, and so let's take a look at it. Now if we just take a look at the exterior, it's got these nice latches. One thing I like about Ridgid, they're a straightforward toolbox, nothing fancy, but they work. Then we got up here this handle, which is very nice, because obviously that's what it's made for, because it's got the two wheels in the back, so this is almost like a piece of suitcase. And as you can see, it slides in and out. And right here on both sides, it's got this Allen head bolts. So as you lift up, it naturally acts to keep it from going back in. So when you raise this up to use it, the handle cannot slide down on you. This is what will keep it from sliding down. Real nice. Then it also has, for their stacking system, it's got their same system here. It locks down so that you can put another box on top of here, which I'll show you. It's got the handle. I love their handles on their Ridgid toolboxes. Very nice, rubberized. They have a nice lockdown there. They stay. If we take a look at the hinge, I love their hinge system. It's got the steel pin. Never had a problem with their hinges. The wheels are approximately 3 1/2 inches in diameter. And they do have a rubberized surface to them. And it comes with 2 trays that set right on top. And they are removable, obviously, if you don't need them. Now the inside measurement, if we measure from here, which is set in, not from here, but from here on both sides, I get 24 15/16 approximate. The depth from the bottom of the box right here to the very top here is 9 3/8. Now the width, we're going to go from here, which takes up more space, to here. So that distance, okay, because it's the narrowest portion, is about 10 1/4. So if you had something that had to fit in there, 10 1/4. Obviously you can get more in there, because if you subtract these and you come in further here and here, but I just wanted to show what it would be if you had something that had to fit in here, the full depth. You wouldn't be able to get anything more than 10 1/4. Here we see the inside of the lid with the O-ring seal that they have, as they do with all their Ridgid boxes. So on top of this 28-inch mobile toolbox, you'll see the 22-inch Pro Gear power tool case Gen 2. And as to stacking boxes, they've made all Gen 2 backwards compatible with Gen 1, which is very nice. So all you've got to do is take your toolbox, whatever you want to stack on top of this, put it up there just like that, and it stays. And then it's just a matter of locking both sides in. So now you can wheel this away with multiple boxes on top.